This is Boat Rockerz 255, a neckband style budget Bluetooth earphones. It looks stylish, it looks trendy, it is built well, it is comfortable to wear for longer durations. The earphones are made of metal, but it is still lightweight. But is it worth the price? Will it be good for you? We will find out in this video. Hello everybody, this is Arijit. Let's take it easy. In Take It Easy, you will find different kinds of high quality and awesome tech videos. So if you are not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. It's free. Hit the bell icon to stay notified for the future videos. If you end up liking this video, hit the like button and boost my motivation. So let's begin. So as you can probably guess, it was already unboxed. So it is basically a reboxing and then unboxing. This is how the packaging looks, and on the back side of the package there are some features mentioned. So now let's open it up, and here comes the Boat Rockerz 255 out of the box. There are some other contents as well, which we will check out later. Okay, no wait, let's check out the other contents first. So we have a flat USB to micro USB cable for charging, and we also have two extra pair of ear tips in smaller and larger size. There are some documentations as well, and at first we have the warranty card, and there is 1 year of warranty, and this one is a product catalog from Boat. They have basically listed most of their available products in this catalog. And at last there is also a user manual, which myself and most of the people nowadays do not like to read. So here is the Boat Rockerz 255. It has a micro USB port protected by this rubber flap to keep any liquids out. You can charge it via this micro USB port, and the earphones are magnetic. They will attach to each other, and that is surely a great thing. The wingtips or the ear hooks, whatever you wanna call them, they are made of rubber and they actually provide good amount of support. I like the overall build quality. The earphones themselves are made of metal. They seem to be of good quality and they are slightly angled, which makes the fit really well. The ear tips are soft and comfortable, and they are removable as well. Extra ear tips are also included inside the package, which is a good thing. If the default size doesn't fit you well, you can swap it for a different one. You will get flat cables. So these cables are tangle free and they are rubberized. They seem to be of good quality, but the cables are a little thin as per my liking. So it could have been better if the cables were a little thicker. And of course there is a microphone with which you can make calls. The buttons look good. They are of good quality and they offer great tactile feedback. I reviewed Zouk Jazz Claws, but that did not have good quality buttons. But this one have really great quality buttons, at least for the price. And as you can see, the neckband is completely flexible. So it will not be very easy to damage or break the neckband. The overall unit is pretty lightweight and it is going to be comfortable for you if you use Bluetooth earphones for longer durations. The Bluetooth version is 4.1. When it is turned off, if you press the function button for 3 seconds, it will turn on, and if you keep it pressed for another 2 seconds, a total of 5 seconds, it will enter pairing mode. Then you can pair using your phone or laptop or whatever. And it came into my notice that the connection happens pretty fast, especially compared to the other Bluetooth earphones in this price segment. When you are playing a music track or a video, you can press the function button once to play or pause. By pressing the plus and the minus button, you can increase or decrease the volume. And by long pressing the plus and the minus button, you can go next or previous. If you long press the function button for 2 seconds, the virtual assistant of your phone will trigger. And one feature I like very much is if you double tap the function button, it will redial the last dialed number. It works even when the phone is locked. You can press the function button once to receive or disconnect a call. And when it is turned on, you can press and hold the function button for 4 seconds to turn it off. It comes with nice ear hooks made of rubber. These are detachable, by the way, but I would like to keep them on. They will make sure there is a nice and tight fit. It will stay attached securely and the earphones will not come loose easily. Also, these earphones are magnetic, so when you are not using them, you can clip them together so they will not dangle too much. It forms a loop and it also makes sure the neckband hangs in there. It will not fall off. The Boat Rockerz 255 is IPX5 water and sweat resistance, and of course it's a good thing, especially for the price. One other thing I like about it is that you can connect it with 2 separate devices at once. The current price is 1500 rupees, which is almost $21 US. It is available in multiple colors and I believe it is available in red and green and black, I think. If you want to check it out or if you want to purchase it, the link will be there in the video description and in the top comment. The overall sound quality is not very good, but it is not bad either. It is somewhere in between. The mids and highs are average, but the bass is very good without any doubts. The bass is a little bit overpowering, so the low ends or the bass kind of suppresses the mids and the high range frequencies. The in-ear earphones provide standard noise cancellation. Well, I would not call it cancellation, it should be noise isolation. Anyways, I would rate it 7.5 for overall sound quality and 8.5 for bass. You will get 5 to 6 hours of playback time and it can be charged from 0 to 100% in 1.5 to 2 hours. So the battery life is not very high, but it is kind of standard. The cable quality, the material used is not bad, but the cable is not very strong. It looks kind of flimsy. Though the quality is not super bad or terrible, but I thought I should mention it. The overall sound signature is too bassy. The bass is kind of overpowering. The bass is too hard, at least for my liking. The Bluetooth range is not very good. The other Bluetooth earphones that I have used, like the Zook Jazz Gloss or the Sony WIC400, they were pretty good in this department, but with this one, whenever I place my phone inside the room and I go outside and I'm listening to some music or taking a call, the connection kind of breaks and it stutters a little bit. 6 hours of battery life is not terribly bad, but in this price segment, other Bluetooth earphones are available with better battery life, like the Zook Jazz Gloss, which has at least 15 hours of playback time. Now let's talk about the pros. The bass is hard. Well, it was a con, but again it can also be a pro. If you like deep hard bass, it can be a pro for you. It comes with ear hooks which provides secure fit and it will not fall off during your exercise, or if you are jogging, it will stay there, it will hang in there. And it also comes with IPX5 sweat and water resistance. Again, it will help with your jogging and exercise. It also comes with very good quality buttons. They provide great tactile feedback. At least for the price, the buttons are very good. So guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to press the like button. It means a lot to me. If you think my videos are good and if you think I am doing a good job, please go ahead and share the video. I need your help to make Take It Easy even bigger. I welcome any support from your end. If you want to purchase the Boat Rockerz 255, check out the link in the video description and in the top comment. And if you are not subscribed to Take It Easy, come on, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. Hit the red subscribe button down there. Also hit the bell icon to stay notified for the future videos like this. If you have any query or if you have anything to say, please go ahead and drop a comment. So that's it for this video. Have a great time and I will see you in the next video.